Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making fried abacha. You guys, I know some people do not like to eat abacha because of the potash that is in it. So if you are that person that doesn't like potash in your abacha, this recipe is for you. It turned out so delicious and I hope you give it a try. Please don't forget to like and share. Thank you, and let's start cooking. The first step is to fry any fish of your choice. For this recipe, I'm using mackerel fish. I marinated with salt and seasoning cube before frying. Once it's golden brown, I will take it out of the oil and set aside. I will be making pepper sauce for the fish just to make it look good. I've added palm oil in a pan and allow it to heat up. Next, I will add my pepper mix and season with seasoning cube and salt. I will mix well to combine and allow it to fry. This is totally optional. You can leave your fish plain without pepper sauce. Once that is done, I will add the fried fish. I will mix gently, making sure that the fish is well coated with the pepper sauce. I'm going to allow it to simmer for 3 minutes on a low heat and our fish is ready. The next step is to soak my abacha. I will add cold water to cover and allow it to soak for about 5 minutes. The cold water will help the abacha not to go soggy when stir frying. Next, I will roast my ehuru, blend it and set aside. Roasting the ehuru before using helps to enhance the flavor. Here are the rest of my ingredients: ogba, crayfish, ogiri Igbo, scotch bonnet peppers, onions, seasoning cube, fresh baby spinach, abacha and palm oil. To make the abacha, in a preheated oil, I will go in with my chopped onions and fry for a minute and go in with my crayfish. Stir well to combine and allow it to fry for 3 to 5 minutes. Next, I will add my seasoning cubes, ogba, ogiri Igbo, ehuru, salt, and scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to mix very well to combine and add my abacha and mix properly. At this point, the abacha is almost ready. You can enjoy it like this without adding spinach, but I like spinach in my stir-fry abacha. It makes it more rich. I'm going to add the baby spinach and finish it up with grounded crayfish. Mix very well until well combined. You guys, if you haven't tried any of my recipes, please try this one and let me know what you think about it. This recipe turned out so delicious and I hope you're going to give it a try. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one.